Help your ink heal by keeping it moisturized and protected from the sun. Thinking about new ink? Maybe your mom's name boldly displayed across your arm or a small flower discreetly located on your ankle. Tattoos are getting more popular all the time. According to the Pew Research Center, 32% of adults in the U.S. have at least one tattoo, with 22% having more than one. And the majority of those branding sessions go off without a hitch. In most cases, tattoos aren't harmful, says dermatologist Alok Vij, MD. But there are some risks you should know about if you're considering a tattoo. Modern tattoo artists perform their magic with machines that use multiple needles to inject colored pigments into the dermis, the middle layer of skin. Unsurprisingly, that doesn't feel great. Getting a tattoo can be painful, Dr. Vij says. And while the pain is temporary, the artwork is forever. So, are you ready for some ink? If so, you should also be ready for your tattoo aftercare. Dr. Vij helps us prep by giving us some advice and instructions on new tattoo aftercare and when you should be concerned about an infection. Tattoo aftercare instructions. You can expect your new tat to hurt a bit the day you get it, but it should feel better over the next few days. Here is how to help the healing process along. Supplies or products you'll need. When it comes to what to use for tattoo aftercare, you'll need the following items: warm water, gentle cleanser or soap, moisturizing lotion or ointment, sunscreen. Tattoos are controlled forms of trauma to your skin, which needs support to heal properly, says Dr. Vij. Improper or negligent aftercare can compromise the healing process, leaving you with infections, rashes, scars or smudges in your tattoo, and you'll only have yourself to blame. Tattoo aftercare steps. It can take a few months for your tattoo to fully heal. It all depends on the size of the tattoo and where it's located. If your tattoo is on the larger side, you may notice redness and swelling for longer. How should you take care of your new tattoo? Dr. Vij provides this tattoo aftercare timeline with the steps you should follow to ensure your new ink heals well. First 24 hours. After you receive your tattoo artist should apply a thin layer of ointment to the area and cover your tattoo with a bandage. Your tattoo artist should also send you home with instructions for caring for your body art. You'll typically need to keep it covered for at least 24 hours.